In this lecture, we will learn how to assign releases. We need to understand first of all that the support of the PB sheds, that is supporting conditions, is preferably pinned support. So that is, there is no moment taking capacity on the bottom node. So we select all the joints on the bottom face. We make sure in 3D that we have selected all the joints or all the joints on the supports. We go to assign joint and restraints. We left click on this pinned support condition, that is only 3 restraints are provided and it cannot take a rotation about X, Y or Z, and left click on apply and OK, and further save this model.